Guys, really sorry. I had been into some other issues. My laptop was not starting up.
ओ काय खाया तेव्हा इकडे काय लागलं ओ नंगू नंगू
Okay, so I think we are here. Okay, now let's see. My laptop took some time to start up and then Zoom was on signing in. So I had to delay it. Am I audible or is it slow, loud, okay? Because before I started, if I can get the review on it, I think it should be good. So is it clear? Okay, okay. So that it is fine. So you can see the chat as well. Let's go to last week. Right. So last week we did had, the range. Now see, this is where we thought it will resist. So now this is what we are into. We went till almost 17,700. Okay, so we did came down, and from here it bounced back again. It has crossed 18,100 now. So now let's see whether we go bypass this levels or not. So we'll see that on charts. Now 39,700 is another thing which we need to now see whether Bank Nifty can cross that or not. It has taken support though on 38,000. Okay, so it did went quite low. Okay, and it has given us a bounce again. So 38,500, I think, not 38,000. But yes, we can see, we have got a bounce now from this range. Now this needs to be crossed first because this was the support which has turned to resistance. So now we need to see this and then maybe 39,700. Even our top bottom buy is around 38, 39,650. Okay, so we now need to see whether we now get into a reverse thing or not. Okay, IT is still sluggish. We had that, it will remain range bound. FMCG is remaining range bound. Auto did have some movement, and pharma was looking okay. So yes, still volatile sessions because if you see VIX is bouncing from 15 to 18, 18 back to 15. So there is, some movement on the volatility side. Trades last week, yes, we did had some good trades on Reliance. It did touch 2,600, but we booked profits earlier. Then Maruti didn't trigger at all. It was about to trigger 7,900, and then it took a U-turn. So it was a good to have 7,900 in place. Grasim did trigger, and it also went till almost to the target. Kotak we did well, but we didn't took it because it again was around the entry price. It remained below 60 on 15 minutes, and then it shooted. So again, it's a dicier scenario that you take an entry at 60 resistance, and if it falls back, you might hit a stop loss. So there were many permutation combinations. Bajaj Auto gave us some good money, and Dr. Reddy, it took our trailing, or not a trailing stop loss, but a stop loss at 4,800. If we would have not changed from this, we would have, still be in profit and, holding the things. But it's okay to get out at time because 3 दिन तक एक trade रखना थोड़ा possible नहीं होता है, right? So it was okay to get out on that trade. Okay, so let's start now this week what we see on charts. So let me just start up the charts. Top bottom here, top bottom here. Normal charts. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what we see. Okay, let's go to page. Nifty. So let's start with Nifty. So yes, a bullish engulfing, but where it is an important sign. Okay, so it was at lower band. Okay, and this is I think yesterday I was talking with Saraf sir as well. he said, that Bank Nifty has got bullish engulfing. I said it's because futures you are seeing and not the spot. Now, spot never had this open low say, which was there in futures yesterday. Okay, so this we need to be careful. Now, this seems to be a bullish engulfing, but we need to now see where it is. So, one thing is price resistance here. Okay, so we had this resistance, we had a breakout, then we took a support, and then we broke down. Now, first CIP on that. Now, whether this is going to result in a breakup or again resistance, we'll have to see Monday. Okay, so that is one thing on Nifty. But taking this into consideration, okay, I will be not surprised for the range bound movement for another 2 to 3 weeks. See, basically, we are now halting ourselves before the pre-budget rally. Pre-budget rally starts in last week of December. So we will have to wait for the last week of December to show us a clear direction for January. Okay, so that is where we will be looking forward to. Now let's remove again everything. Okay, and let's remove this because it's not going to be useful on the weekly charts. Now, this is still very much promising. PRD confirmed. If you look at this, we had a 5-hour PRD here, positive reverse divergence. It has already moved up. So, in a way, if I have to draw a line like this, okay, there is a confirmation on RSI. If I have to draw a line like this, okay, it's a breakout on trend line, so confirmation even here. So now you can expect 18,900 on Nifty. Okay, so good news for those who are in top bottom long. Okay, but this is just what charts are saying. Let's see what market does there. Okay, because as per PRD also on weekly, the target is what 17,500, 17,700. So there is almost say 200 points on the all-time high. So that comes to almost 18,800 as per PRD. Okay, because this is 18,600 is what I'm counting because a high is 594. Okay, so I'm rounding it by 6 points to 18,600. So what you can see on Nifty is now 18,800 as per the weekly PRD setup, and PRD did confirm. So now let's see whether we get the target of 18,800 to 18,900, which is also the upper band on weekly. Okay, so that is the target now. Monthly shows a good sign, and see there is no inbuilt bearishness yet on monthly. This is what I keep saying since time, that there is still scope of new highs in the market because there is no monthly divergence or any bearishness yet. We had a shooting star, the low is not been cut. Okay, so that is where we are still standing, and see shooting star has to accompany with a huge volume. Okay, if it is a market reversal, but I don't see a market reversal yet because look at the volume here of shooting star and look at the buying volume here. It does not specify me that there is still a reversal here. If I should have at least more than average volume on a shooting star to say, okay, now we are getting out. Okay, and please don't read those messages of FIIs pulling out and that pulling out. Do they tell you that I have withdrawn? Do they show you the withdrawal slip that this is my withdrawal from Indian market? अरे ये सब बचकाना चीज है, मत देखा करो. It fools people around it. Okay, so let's write down on this. किधर गया? अरे हाँ, write down इधर ही लिखना था. So now this is for the weekend. Okay, so by the way, happy Children's Day in advance to everyone. We all have an inner child, okay? So कल अगर हमारे चिल्ड्रन नहीं है आजू बाजू में तो खुद को खुश करो. सूर्यवंशी देख के आओ सब लोग. This is for starting this, okay? Now this is. हाँ, अगर मूवी का शौक है तो हाँ, नहीं तो नहीं जाओ. मेरे को तो शौक है फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो वाला आदमी. Okay, so daily RSI support around. Okay, so daily bullish engulfing. Lower band support. Jay, good morning. Oh, thank you. No, worries not. વાંધો તમે પરીક્ષા આપી તો યાદ આવવાનો છે તો મને મદદ આપજો. No worries, no worries.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you. I think the rules are complete.
Welcome.
I think the પરીક્ષા આવી છે.
આવી ગયો ઓલરેડી ઘરે છે. Yes, yes.
ક્યારે જવાનું પાછા બોલવું?
હું થર્સડે ના જઈશ.
અચ્છા દે જાઓ.
હા. ઓકે, વાંધો. Yeah. Sorry. So now let's see what we have as a resistance. Okay, so this will change. This will become this lower band support part and my 20 resistance. Okay, so that is where we are. Weekly 5 bar followed by bullish Harami 90. Confirmed with target of 1800. Monthly shooting star so far negated, by the way. Bearishness will increase, but now no inbuilt bearishness. Again, same line, cut, copy, paste करूंगा. One sec. Hello. Hello. हाँ हाँ मितेश भाई हाँ अच्छा મિતેશ ભાઈ તમારો આ સેમ નંબર WhatsApp પર છે તો હું છે ને તમને અમારું વીકેન્ડ સેવાનું એક ગ્રુપ છે એમાં મેહુલભાઈ આત્માર્થિક will guide you how to do and what to do. हाँ हाँ I will add you right away. Okay. Welcome. Yeah. Sorry, this is going to be ongoing. Okay. Zoom user entered for meeting. Zoom user कौन होता है? Okay, so weekly fiber confirm monthly this और यहाँ से मेरे को डालना है no inbuilt bearishness yet and now the resistance will change. पहले 18200 आ जाएगा 18500 और उसके ऊपर अभी आएगा अपना नया हाई. Okay, so now we'll have 18800. Okay, so this is going to be there as the new thing. Now support is going to be again change. यहाँ पे changes आएगा 17950, which was earlier a good support. So this okay, so this is where we are with respect to Nifty. Let's फटाफट go to Bank Nifty. Okay, ये देखो Bank Nifty में ये देख के ना मेरे को सराफ सर ने बोला था piercing pattern है. Okay, so I will anyways move to the physical indices after this. So I'll show you the difference between both of them. Now this is looking good to me. And I think people can recollect, we were very much positive about Bank Nifty day before yesterday, and that's how we closed even the top bottom ka short. See now top bottom short okay is also been covered because you if you see where it touched almost 40 when it was making the low and lower band. Along with that 43 MA was also on the same lines. Okay, so that is where it was. Okay, I'll show you that when we go to the other part of Nifty. So spot में जब भी जाएंगे I will again show you. Okay. So now let's see. This is looking okay. It has got it, and I think we need these gaps to be covered. See, Bank Nifty में ना gap down किया था. My view is now okay. When we'll go to spot, I'll say that I'm just waiting for that first thing to come. Now see, this is very critical. See the lows. Perfect CIP after the breakout. Okay. And 60. And one more thing, let me add. See where it is exactly residing, 38%. Okay. So this shows we are not a bearish trend yet. Okay. See, I may sound bullish every day, but because charts are not showing me bearishness. Okay. Look at this. क्या है? कुछ नहीं है अभी. Okay, and once it crosses this high, it is ready for another target. Okay, 43,000 is approaching. Now let's see this. Okay. Nifty ने तो कर दिया, अभी ये भी कर रहा है. देखो 62.27. So Purvi, you can see here itself. Okay, I'll draw now on this also. Okay, see weekly PRD setup in Nifty. Now weekly PRD setup even in Bank Nifty. So let's see first the target of this. एक तो दोनों के बीच में हाई इज 41,800. ओके 20 को मारो गोली, उतना नहीं कंसीडर करने वाला हूं, राउंड करूंगा मैं. ये फिर 38,900 है, 37,300 है. ओके सो 900 and 300 is almost 1,600 points. 1,600 points to be added on 41,800. अभी मैंने क्या बोला, 43,000 is approaching. So 43,400 is the target for weekly PRD. Okay. Now it needs confirmation, no doubt. But मैंने क्या बोला, budget rally. Okay, things are approaching. So now that is where you might see that. I think Virendra Kukraji asked me yesterday. He's having 39,500 PE short. I told him to hold. Okay, because he's okay because he told me very clearly. मेरे को भाव टू भाव भी गया तो मेरे को चलेगा. तो फिर मैंने बोला ऐसा जिगर है तो रुको, टेंशन ही मत लो, ये देख लो. आपको सेटअप इज वंडरफुल. एक्चुअली मैंने वीकली देख के उनको बोला था कि होल्ड करो, बिकॉज आई एम लुकिंग दिस इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव वे. ओके, दिस इज एट CIP, फर्स्ट CIP PRD सपोर्ट 60 सपोर्ट ऑन वीकली, मंथली इज अबाउट 60, डेली एट 40. अभी अपना सेकेंड स्ट्रेटेजी याद करो, 2B 40 60 60, right? RSI वाला. So that is what we are at. Now Purvi ka concept, how do we draw a trend line? Okay, you'll practice, by the way. ये मैं इधर दिखाऊंगा, but you have to show me then 10 times. Okay, then only you will get confidence on what you are drawing. See, this is a simple trend line. Okay, you just connect the tops of the candle. Okay, now any breakout above this 39,600, see now top bottom को PRD नहीं पता क्योंकि वो क्लोज लाइन चार्ट है, राइट? क्लोज लाइन चार्ट के हिसाब से buy is at 39,652. So if I'm buying once it crosses 39,652, I am buying on confirmation of even PRD. इसके लिए नीचे मस्ती मत करो, ऊपर you are getting almost 4,000 points. Okay, so please rest assured, buy when there is a cutout on this. Do not do masti below this. Okay, ये time pass मत करो, and it will come to at least 39,200 300 to touch the trend line once. ओके, सो ये आएगा तभी आप देखो क्या कर सकते हैं क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट यू नो डोंट एंटर इन अज्यूमिंग दैट पीआरडी है तो जाएगा ही। ये सब पैटर्न्स कंफर्मेशन की मोहताज है, वेट फॉर इट। ओके, लेट द मार्केट क्लोज ऑन वीकली बेसिस about 39,700 or 39,600 for any buying. Okay, because this is a weekly PRD setup on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty, I told you, it is confirmed. बैंक निफ्टी स्टिल नॉट कंफर्म, बैंक निफ्टी में सेटअप आया है अभी। ओके, बट बहुत लोग है ना ये भी सोचते हैं कि निफ्टी में कंफर्म हो गया ना बैंक निफ्टी भी हो जाएगा। अरे हो जाएगा पर तुमको लॉस भी हो जाएगा। ओके, सो बी वेरी केयरफुल एंड ओनली एंटर ऑन कंफर्मेशन। ओके, माय फर्स्ट ट्रेड टुडे, इट्स अ चेंज इन आवर थिंग की स्टॉक्स में मैं फर्स्ट टाइम बैंक निफ्टी डाल रहा हूँ। ओके, तारीख चल रही है। क्लोज क्या दिया था 38,871। Okay, so this is going to be the first trade of the day, Bank Nifty. Okay, I was thinking a lot कि जो अपना expertise है उस पे मैंने आज तक कभी trading नहीं किया. So then I thought of changing it. Let's trade Bank Nifty. Okay. That is the first trade. Now let's see this everything. This is okay. 38,870. Okay. Again. Daily piercing pattern at lower band, 40 support. So this one is ganda wala. Weekly 5-bar PRD setup confirms above 39,650 with target 43,400 at 60 support. Okay, weekly PRD 5-bar है. It will take 5-bar to reach up, by the way. ऐसा मत सोचो एक वीक में 43,400. ओके, मैडम आके कुछ बोलने वाली नहीं, निर्मला कैंडल नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करो फिर. ओके, मंथली शोज न्यूट्रल टू बुलिश.
ये टारगेट बराबर नहीं लिखा है शायद ना कमल भाई,
कहाँ लिखा है यार?
नीचे की स्टॉक्स में आपने लिखा 4350.
40, हाँ 4350 लिखे मैंने, हाँ बराबर है.
ओके,
वो स्विंग ट्रेड है सर.
अच्छा.
मनीष, मैं इधर लिखूंगा ना तो ये 4-5 हफ्ते का ट्रेड हो जाएगा. सो एवरी वीक यू विल सी एंड वी
Okay,
विल
okay.
बाय. ओके, सो दैट इज हाउ वी विल टेक इट.
ओके,
Okay, but this is weekly target, so it will take 4 to 5 weeks actually.
ओके, ओके.
So maybe I'm expecting a pre-budget rally towards end of December. तो ये मेरे ख्याल से वहां तक पहुंचाएगा. फिर पता नहीं रैली बजट में क्या लेके जाएगा.
ओके,
Okay, so that is where we are. So I would just suggest top bottom को religiously follow करना. You will get either a very good side on the one-sided up movement also, and then I think post budget there will be some immediate correction also. There will be a good movement on top of it. So monthly shows, okay, this is okay, no bearishness. अभी ये change करना है, resistance will be 39,300 right, actually. That is where the trend line is actually. So that's why I moved it. इसके लिए मेरा entry 39,450 किया है मैंने. Okay, then this is 39,700. And then this is fine. Support is going to be at 39,500 now. Seven, 658. Okay, so we have all our things in place. Now let me show you on the other side, you know, why I'm saying वो piercing को ज़्यादा भाव मत दो, क्योंकि वो तो futures का game था. But now if you see Nifty 50 भी देखोगे ना कल का, so it's a bull sash. And if it's not a bull sash, oh, it's a good one. See, it's a bull separating line up, by the way. So it is more powerful than even bull sash. So Nifty is looking good for a good reversal, and it's even closing is about 20 MA. So we need to see whether it comes back to 18,350 on spot. Okay, so maybe 400, 450 on futures. Okay, then bang, Nifty back. See, this is actually doji at support. Okay, now if my view is if you open up at 39,000 plus, okay, or maybe just about this candle ka opening, which is what opening kya hai iska 38,900, so 39,950 या 38,950 या 39,950 के ऊपर में अगर कल ओपन भी होता है, then we can get a island reversal if it closes also above. Okay, then the target straight away goes to the swing high. Okay, तो ये ऐसे ही आ गया. So now Monday क्या करता ना, it is very important after this pattern. और आप past में देखो जब भी ऐसा pattern आया है ना, market has done a reversal. See this. See this. See this. Okay, see this. Okay, ये सब past history है. So history is also useful because history tells us how the market has worked earlier when the similar pattern at a similar level has come. So ये भी lower band है, ये भी lower band है. Okay, big black बाद में doji, big black बाद में doji, and at 40 support and lower band support. Okay, and this is also at price support by the way. Okay, see this broken first CIP, second CIP or second support. Okay, so we are still at support, and that's why I was negating that 37,300, which is this level. Okay, that's why I'm negating it because this is going to work. Okay, and that's why we have closed on the top bottom short. I think many people were asking me why did you closed it. So this is the main reason for closing it. Okay, so now let's move to the other indices. So I think Purvi, you are clear with your trend line stuff. Yes, okay, good. Okay, now this is looking more powerful with another, see yesterday there was a good bounce again on the reality stocks, IB real estate, we all are holding it since 165. Again, yesterday it is at 190. Okay, my first target is 200, 200, 210. So if it comes there, we'll think of booking profits. Okay, now the only issue is this. Okay, it has got a bearish divergence here. And if this breaks, we will anyways have kept our trading stop loss also. Okay, so that is fine. But this on monthly looks fantastic. First breakout, a close above 533 will take it much more higher. Okay, it's a very good cup that we are into. So reality sector, does not show any bearishness here on daily yet. It is around 60. Okay, so let's see what it does here. But yes, weekly is little bad, but we need to see whether it confirms or not because it's a setup yet to be confirmed. Okay, so let's go to infra. क्या बोलता है? Infra has got 3 bar bearish divergence on daily. Here also bearish divergence. Okay. But here nothing. Here it is almost touching the new high. And see no inbuilt bearishness. So let's see what it does now. Start with FMCG now. Ah. ये भाई साहब देखो क्या कर रहा है. First bullish range shift with pro gap harami. Okay, so it's a pro gap harami here on daily on FMCG sector. Okay, we need a breakout about this. Once it crosses 20 MA on the upside, I expect it to come to here. That is one thing on that. So it's looking now on the side of recovery. But second is if it breaks down below 40 now, okay, because if you look at it, 7917 and 912, chalo bach gaya. 3 bar NRD se bach gaya, okay. So then we are okay to have it, whatever it is. Then here it is still okay, still taking support and the gap is closed. ये देखो गैप क्लोज कर दिया उसने इधर एक गैप डाउन था वो गैप के ऊपर में बंद हुआ है डोजी सो नाउ अगेन सिंस इट्स अ डोजी फ्रॉम हियर 39900 can be one thing okay so 1000 points rally expected in this sector as well on weekly and this is taking support here so we had a PRD on here and that PRD is getting some small movement but now it needs a confirmation about this. So since it is only one candle here, again, you'll have to draw it such that this gets within or you need to think there is a third candle and draw accordingly. Okay, and then a breakout on this, say 39,400 around, the confirmation will come to this. Because there is no other candle here. Okay, that is the main reason. So now FMCG, let's see what it does. Daily 40 support, weekly has got doji on 20 MA and gap closed. Okay, so it seems to be okay to me. 38,900. Bullish range shift, yes, so it is still there. Okay, weekly bullish harami at 20 MA support. Now it is doji at 20 MA support. And gap closed. Okay, monthly 4 bar PRD confirms about 39,500. That is still there and let it be. Okay. So if there is a 1000 points movement, as I said, as per the weekly chart, the monthly PRD confirms. Okay, so now PRD se bhara pada hua hai market. Nifty, Bank Nifty, now FMCG also. Okay, now let's see the other sectors. सब गोल्डन थे उसमें से सब चले गए अब बिखर बिखर के सब में कुछ और आ रहा है आईटी की तरह हम ना आईटी मिस के थे तो इस बार आई मिस समथिंग okay so now IT is at resistance over here if you look at it it has a price resistance okay gap up है so looking good but 60 resistance on daily but this looks good okay so bullish harami see pro gap harami का नतीजा देख लो okay see IT is bhatija of FMCG it is showing you natija also okay so now see this and this see exactly where we also have the same thing over here okay so FMCG maybe there is a pro gap harami on daily Okay, at support. So now let's see what it does. Okay, bullish range shift के बाद था वो, तो ये भी सेम कर सकता है और ये यहाँ तक एक बार आएगा. Okay, so let's see. My view is we will touch once here and then will be somewhere some correction. Okay, until that I don't think so there is any fall. This is not yet the bottom, or we'll have a new top on all of this. And yes, weekly, monthly is looking okay so far. It has got bearish divergence, but the month is yet to complete. Shooting star बना के भी देखो confirmation shooting star पे नहीं है. See, never broke this low. Okay, so that bearishness is still not there, and we still have a candle going up, and maybe it will touch a new high. Okay, so this is where we are with the candle again. So only daily has got some type of resistance. Weekly looks okay, monthly looks okay. Thousand points up from last week. Okay, so now we have daily is I think बड़ा candle था वो. Daily is bullish kicker actually. At 60 resistance. Okay, so now need to see what it happens at 60 and price both. Okay, weekly program around 60 support, and now we have bullish candle. Okay, post 60 support. Monthly so far shooting star negated. Okay, so this also is negating shooting star so far. So we don't have anything here also. Okay, now let's see. FMCG we're done. Okay, Fratford. फार्मा बेटा क्या बोलता है? आहा, ओहो, no series of bullish divergence है इसमें. ये भी पता नहीं मीना फटेगी. See this. Need a breakout on this. Same FMCG भी ऐसा ही, लेकिन उसमें रेंज शिफ्ट हो चुका है. ये भाई साहब अभी भी डाइवर्जेंस मोड में ही है. तब RSI के साथ खेलते खेलते ना ये लोग करना क्या चाहते हो भाई. See, this is also at price support, by the way. So this valuation is also at price support. So multiple support. See, this is a support here. Support. ये लास्ट दो मैंने एरो ड्रॉ किया, किसी को कुछ याद आ रहा है? अपना फर्स्ट ट्रेनिंग में से कुछ याद आ रहा है? किसी को भी याद आ रहा है? देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु हैव डन P1 विद अस. ये लास्ट दो एरो, एक ये और एक ये. एनीबॉडी? वन डायमंड स्ट्रेटजी आई यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट इन दैट क्लास. किसी को भी
रीटेस्टिंग ऑफ हैमर.
यस देवेन भाई, मैं तो अभी देख के मैं भी चौंक गया. ये क्या है? ये दिस इज अ रीटेस्टिंग ऑफ हैमर. पता नहीं ये क्या करेगा फिर. लेट्स सी द अदर टाइम जोन आल्सो इन दिस. इट्स अ हैमर गेटिंग रीटेस्टेड एक्चुअली. इसमें वॉल्यूम नहीं रहता, इसलिए समझ में नहीं आता एक्चुअली. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट हैज टच्ड दिस आल्सो हियर. लेट्स सी, ये भी सपोर्ट ही है इसको. दिस लाइन इट्स वेरी क्रिटिकल है. ये टूटा ना तो ये इतना नीचे भी गिरेगा एक्चुअली. सी ट्रेंड लाइन का लॉजिक है कि लास्ट जो भी रहता है ना उसका ये वाला पार्ट स्विंग बोलते, सॉरी मैं वर्ड भूल गया था. सो दिस लास्ट स्विंग का जो भी डेप्थ रहेगा ना, दैट वुड बी देन द रिवॉर्ड डाउनसाइड, एंड सी दैट आल्सो मैचेस विद अनदर सपोर्ट लेवल. सो इसके बाद एक्चुअली सीधा सपोर्ट उधर ही है उसको. looks to be very much that either it's a bounce here or buyers will capture this particular sector. यहाँ पे क्या है? अरे भगवान कितना weird दिखा रहा है। नहीं ठीक है बच गया ये। तो ये कैंडल और ये कैंडल के बीच में ये अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ इसलिए वी आर ओके टू neglect it. But see this is still at CIP only. तो ये सेक्टर भी इतना जल्दी गिव अप तो नहीं करेगा. Let's see. So pharma is also looking okay for me. Hammer retesting on daily and weekly has got a lower band support and price support. So let's see that. In 775. Oh beta थोड़ा नीचे आ गया. Daily bullish range shift and 40 support. उसको तो हटा दिया. Daily bullish divergence setup with hammer retesting. Testing was pulling me was pulling there. Weekly doji at lower band 9. हाँ weekly doji at lower band support बराबर. And CIP ये सब same है इसका. Okay. Now let's go to the auto sector. Auto मेरे को पसंद है. See this is a daily 60 support, gap support. Okay. So I think कल मैंने वापस थोड़ा बहुत टाटा मोटर्स उठाया है, but it is looking good. Auto sector is looking good. Okay. This is the first bullish range shifter by the way. See this is a breaking of 60 crossover and first support. Let's see what it does that or not. यहाँ पे अरे बच गया. See no bearish divergence. This closes down and even RSI is down. So looks okay at gap support. And this is okay only. इसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. क्या है? This is daily. Range shift. मेरा 60 लिखूंगा ब्रैकेट में. So we know it is the first. Why is Bale falling so much? Any stop loss? As a Zoom user, अच्छा can you say your name? Because Bale अब तक अपना buy 76.50. This is who by the way? क्योंकि Zoom user करके नाम आया है. And Bale will be in sideways for some time. It is okay. मेरा 71 का average है for the quantity I am handling. So I think I am fine with that. But we'll see Bale later on. We'll see that. Don't worry. Okay. So this bullish. अच्छा ये fundamental reason. बोला एक्सिस बैंक में कुछ तो बोलो. निरंजन अलग निरंजन. Okay. So weekly क्या था इसमें? वीकली गैप सपोर्ट है. See, main thing that you need to understand in Bale is it's a disinvestment stock. Okay, तो जब भी वो disinvestment आगे बढ़ेगा, okay, तभी वो आगे बढ़ेगा. Okay, so let's see this. This is fine. Okay, now let's see. We are in this only, so let's see Bale. अगर किसी ने Bale JD दिया है तो now see this. It should now start again rise. Okay, ये थोड़ा जो उसने गैप मारा है ना, ये गैप को क्लोज करने के लिए टाइम जाएगा, बट इट विल कम डाउन टिल 69-70. ओके, यहाँ तक आ जाएगा. उसके बाद वापस देखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दिस अगेन इज वेयर इट इज ऑन दिस. सो क्यों गिरा? See why the reason it is a buy above 76.50. See this gap has been resisted. This is a gap down. और वीकली पे वो गैप अब तक फिल ही नहीं हुआ है. Okay, so I don't know what fundamental reasons you check, but I'm looking into technicals and that's why it is a buy above 76.50. Okay, though I have bought it for me and my clients, but and also see the second reason 60 resistance
सर
on monthly.
सर वो उसका जो सेल है ना,
हाँ
एक साल का सेल 365 दिन का होता है,
हाँ.
उसका उधारी 500 दिन का है सर.
अच्छा.
उधारी का एंट्री क्या होता है, माल बेच दिया, बुक्स में आ गया प्रॉफिट में,
ना ना ये
लेकिन रिकवर नहीं हुआ ना. 500 दिन का
main
रिकवरी,
thing
एक साल
is
का पैसा आने का है.
हाँ हाँ वो आएगा आएगा कभी ना कभी आएगा तभी ये
हाँ,
पैसे
तो
भाग
इसलिए
जाएगा.
वो गिर रहा है. अभी मैं बेच रहा हूँ, धंधा हो रहा है, प्रॉफिट दिख रहा है, लेकिन सब उधारी पे है. 500 दिन का उधारी.
अच्छा 500 दिन का उधारी है क्या? ठीक है चलेगा ना.
हाँ, 1.5 साल का उधारी इतना वर्किंग कैपिटल साइकिल अलाउ नहीं करता. 30-40 दिन का उधारी ठीक है.
नहीं नहीं हो जाएगा टेंशन मत लो क्योंकि इसको
हाँ,
बाई करने वाले ने 150 का बिड किया है उसको. ओके सो टाटा स्टील हैज बिडेड फॉर 150. ओके सो
वो नहीं आइडिया था,
हाँ.
वो आइडिया नहीं था मुझे.
अच्छा वो आइडिया नहीं था मेरे को. वो आइडिया था इसके लिए बाई किया.
लेकिन वो पूरा नहीं लेगा, तो कुछ तो लेगा, वो पूरा नहीं लेगा टाटा, कोई यूनिट लेगा वो.
कुछ तो यूनिट लेगा लेकिन 150 का उसने भाव बोल दिया है इसके लिए.
अभी ये रेलवे इंजन बनाता है सर, बेल वाला.
हाँ रेलवे इंजन बनाता है और अभी क्या है ना देखो टाटा प्लेन में भी घुसा है रेलवे में भी घुसेगा मालूम नहीं. बस में तो है ही हर जगह में बस भी टाटा के दिखते हैं. सो वी डोंट नो राइट. सो नाउ लेट्स गो टू द स्टॉक्स.
अच्छा, आपने इसके लिए बेल खरीदने को बोला क्या? मेरे को लगा आपको बेल खाने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इसके लिए
वो तो मैं रोज खाता हूँ राहुल. सच बोलूं तो मेरे घर पे मैं ऑफिस से घर जाता हूँ ना बेल रेडी रहता है.
तो आई तो थॉट दैट
नहीं नहीं मेरे को खाने में भी पसंद है इसके लिए मैं ले लिया. पर वो खाने
अब
वाला
डेढ़
बेल 30 रुपए का है ये 70 रुपीज का है.
भी साल भर पहले 20 रुपए में मिल रहा था.
हाँ वही साल भर पहले 20 रुपए में मिल रहा था एग्जैक्टली. बट यार यू कैन से दैट. ठीक है लेट्स सी इंफ्रा स्टॉक से चालू करते हैं. ये भाई साहब तो कुछ अलग ही दुनिया में है. जाने तो इसमें कहीं एंट्री भी नहीं दिख रहा है. ग्रासे में वापस एक बार एंट्री देख सकते हैं. आई थिंक सराफ सर ने भी कल भेजा था. हाँ स्टिल लुकिंग गुड. बट अभी देखना ये है क्योंकि इंफ्रा स्टॉक्स में वी सॉ दैट देयर इज एन इशू ऑन द चार्ट. यहाँ पे तो ये बैंडवॉक ही बैंडवॉक कर रहा है. कंपनीज का so you are monthly 81. Okay, so I still feel there is a buy above. So this general stop loss बहुत दूर है. Then I think Ultratech is what he was also sharing with me. See this is looking good. So we do have a buy on this.
Sir, target 8,400. So you return 81,400.
हाँ मैं भी वो 81,400 तो अब तक सेंसेक्स भी नहीं पहुंचा. सॉरी वो एमआरएफ का दिमाग में रहता है ना. एमआरएफ के साथ काम करना पड़ेगा. वो भी बेचारा उधर ही भटक गया. अरे अभी जैसे अभी मिला तेरे को? हाँ वो लोग था नहीं ना एक वीक से. Okay, so we saw cement stocks. Now let's go to Reliance. My favorite. वो मैंने कल भी buy किया है. So I'm more interested in Reliance now. So I'll buy it about 26.25. Big stop area, but if that is clear, you might get 2700. Ah, now you see this. This is also looking good, and see there is a PRD here also. See PRD की दुनिया में निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी ऐसे नहीं रहेगा, उनके स्टॉक्स में भी रहेगा. See this. So 7 bar PRD confirmed. But Doji height के ऊपर ऐसे भी confirm होता है वो. It is confirmed. And now let's see the target of this. 2400, 2400, 2500. So 100 point का difference on the all-time high. All-time high क्या है? 2850. कोई 3000 का मेरा target है सभी. 29550 is what weekly is saying.
Kamal bhai,
हाँ.
I just wanted to ask you, PRD no trend line when we take, so is it necessary from higher to lower? We don't have to include the two black candles of PRD, right?
No. How will you include those in this? So then there is nothing that you can draw, no? So you have to see from the high till the latest candle.
Okay.
Okay, so it is always from the high to the latest candle, and in case of NRD, from the low to the latest candle. That's it.
Okay. Fine. That was one confusion.
Okay, no, I think that should be fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so this also looks good to me. Reliance, huge one.
सर
हाँ,
ये रिलायंस में डेली में दो बड़े कैंडल्स जो है
हाँ,
दे वर फ्रीक ट्रेड्स ऑन दोस डेज.
yes.
तो अभी तो हमें याद है रीसेंट केस है तो
हाँ,
आफ्टर सम टाइम वीकली और उसमें ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ करने में या उसमें प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा, कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा.
हाँ. So basically, na.
वी वोंट
आप-
रिमेम्बर दिस
No,
आफ्टर
no,
6 months.
see.
वी वोंट रिमेम्बर.
No, I will show you this difference now. See, this is a freak trade here and
हाँ.
here,
राइट.
But
स्पॉट में नहीं रहेगा.
देख लो. So then you can draw whatever you want over here. Equate this thing to futures and buy your levels.
हाँ, क्योंकि now this is happening regularly on many
I know it
scripts.
will happen in it because मैंने बोला था ना, it is a way by which people are telling what is the next target.
हाँ.
Okay, and in this month, if I want to book a loss, I will sell at a higher price. But
Yes.
in next month, I will take it to that level so that my loss is also recovered. Okay, it is one way by which you जो monthly tax भरते हैं ना, वो ये tax का चोरी का part.
हाँ. मीन्स अभी अपने को स्पॉट में भी ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि भाई ये क्या है.
इसके लिए
सिर्फ फ्यूचर का चार्ट देख के नहीं पता चलेगा कभी. आफ्टर सम टाइम
खाली फ्यूचर को लेके आप डिसीजन नहीं ले पाओगे. That is very true. Okay, because see,
आज याद है कि भाई हाँ यहाँ पे था.
हाँ.
After some times you will forget it. We will forget
Exactly. See, I will show you that.
कितना स्क्रिप्ट में याद रखेंगे. एक सिंगल केस है तो याद रहता है. अभी तो एवरी टाइम ये होते रहता है थोड़े टाइम पे.
See, this is what he shared with me yesterday only. Okay, and I said on spots is a doji, so let it close the gap. Okay, because he's told me it is a bull sash or piercing pattern. Okay, and all those things, and this is a buy straight away. So that's why I told no, Baba, आप futures देख रहे हो क्योंकि Nifty and Bank Nifty दोनों का daily chart on spot was different. And I think Amar sir is also aware. मैं normally है ना spot ज़्यादा देखता हूँ for expiry. That's how you know उस दिन भी मैंने जो डाला था ना expecting this levels, वो spot के हिसाब से ही डाल रहा था.
Right.
Because expiry is all related to spot value and not futures at all. फ्यूचर्स में ना ये मस्ती भी होना चालू किया तो मैं नॉर्मली इसके लिए स्पॉट देख के ही आपको गाइड करता हूँ.
ओके, थैंक यू.
सो मेनली यस, यू आर राइट. और क्योंकि टीसीएस में तो और भी बड़े लेवल्स है. 4300 वो तो अब तक आया भी नहीं है.
और HDFC में भी हुआ था, आई थिंक HDFC बैंक में
Yes,
हुआ था,
HDFC
एवरी,
बैंक में भी हुआ था, yes.
तो
और
वो
HDFC तो अभी चल ही रहा है अपना,
हाँ।
S&P 2800 से बाई है.
भाई,
I think 3000 के ऊपर जाएगा तो we can book profits also because that is fine. Okay, it is already doing good, and I think now with the target of 43,000 on Bank Nifty, I think yes, HDFC should reach 3200, 32,300 का अपना जो target है वो. So this is a buy मैंने बोला था 2625 किधर गया अपना लिखना पढ़ाई किधर चलेगा. हाँ 2625 target is going to be 27. Stop loss would be 25, 80. 80 is 75. So this is where we are with Reliance. Let's go back to Asian Paints. Asian Paints also had got some beautiful candles yesterday. It's going to do bullseye at 40 support. This is also straight away buy. इसको तो मैं buy करूँ 31.16 के ऊपर में. इधर क्या है doji. Okay, so this is also okay. ये देखो इधर भी PRD है. See the 73, 71. Okay, and right now it is showing this. So ये इसके ऊपर में निकला 3205 के ऊपर में monthly पे. It will cross 3700 का I think is the target. Okay, look at this. 2972, 31. So wait, it's almost 150 rupees is the difference, and above the high, which is 35. So 3700 जो बोला वो target आ जाएगा. Okay, so Asian Paint is also looking good, and it has got now see gap support also. So यही support है. 50. 160 के ऊपर buy है. Asian Paint है इधर.
आर्यन जरा ते कर्टन असं सरकव ना, ऊन नाही लागत आहे का? देख ना काय करतो.
Asian Paints 3-1. ये गैप तक आएगा 3265. सर क्या है? So 55 points risk, 400 points gain. So not bad. Let's go to Maruti. Maruti is sideways, and I think अपना short में भी है. It's already short in bank top bottom, so it should be okay. जाने दे उसको. Anyone wants to short, can short with this 75575 stop loss. इसके नीचे. You can expect it to come to 7360. I think that is where we can close it with 300 points gain as well. Let's see. So ये मेरे दिमाग में रखने के लिए है. Okay, then let's see MRF. अरे यार. एक मिनट. 36.92. अरे बाप रे ये कैसे हुआ? So this again has got this. It's a bullish divergence with range shift. Diamond category trade है ये तो. Straight away buy above this resistance. तो 78,800 के ऊपर 78,800 के ऊपर मैं buy है. 80,000 should be the first target, and stop loss would be 77,400. So MRF is straight away buy. So 7, 8, 100, 7, 200. So 850 रखो चलेगा थोड़ा, नहीं तो टाइम नहीं मिलेगा अगर सीधा गैप अप मारा तो. Okay, so 78, 800 अभी चलेगा. Okay, I'll guide accordingly, but let's see that. Target is 80,000. So it will be 70. Let's see, must the pattern be है. Notice on monthly it is not dojis, but at support. Sideways, that is a challenge to touch at least 80,600. Okay, let's see. So looking at beautiful pattern, bullish divergence and confirmed also. Okay, so that's why you can trade it straight away. Actually, कल BTST था. It's right. See, it's confirmed already. It's okay. So MRF looks good. I think क्या हो गया अपने पास अभी एक ऑटो हो गया, दो निफ्टी हो गया, इंफ्रा हो गया, बैंक निफ्टी तो खुद है. तो लेट्स सी बैंक निफ्टी HDFC बैंक क्या बोलता है पहले. क्या उधर क्या डाला मैंने HDFC बैंक. इसमें भी बहुत है, but it has got gap here, so it has to close this gap and this gap. Wait for it. Oh, so it has gone below, but this low has to be defended yet. तो 1530 के नीचे जाएगा तो थोड़ा रिस्की है ये. तब तक रहने दो. HDFC क्या बोलता है ये तो यार 3000 हो गया, मतलब कल ही हो गया, देखा नहीं. Okay, it has got bearish divergence. No bearish divergence on weekly, so that is fine. So long term is looking good, and see अब तक जो हम लोग ने see this again that freak trade वाला है ये 3134 वो freak trade वाला है. इसके लिए इसमें आएगा वो, पर ठीक है. It has crossed the high of this, so we are okay. Let's see. So this is also doing good for us. Then let's see Kotak. क्या होता है? Kotak is about 60. This is at 60 support. This is sideways. Yeah, time pass kar raha hai. See, it has resisted this line here. So now we need to see whether it comes back to this or not. So 2131 is expected, but there are gaps here, so I ignore it Kotak for now. ICICI Bank. ICICI is also at gap support. ये धीरे धीरे ये गैप बढ़ जाएगा, इधर तक आएगा ये. Here it is okay. So nothing bad on monthly and weekly, but daily has got 20 MA resistance and below 60. Axis.
ताई तू कर आता पण मी माझी आता पोथी वाचून घेते.
We am going to do that. Okay, so now if you look at this, this is what 746 and 35, 35.03, 30. There is nothing now. So we'll have to see what it does now tomorrow. So I see Axis Bank also is not having that clarity. This is resisting 60, actually crossing the 60. इसके लिए यहाँ पर अटक रहा है SBI doji, but it's below 16. Okay, bada black candle. It's a shooting star again, but yet no bearishness here also. So I'll see no volume on shooting star. ये तो अभी मतलब अभी भी आधा महीना बाकी है, but still there is no volume much coming up here. So we have to see now what it finally does. Okay, it said trend line support. Suppose if you draw a trend line from here, ये तो बहुत बाकी का है, तो ये भी है. So this will get support. Okay, so let's see what it does. नीचे आएगा तो यहाँ तक आएगा 487. Okay, so banking does not look much promising, but Bank Nifty has got PRD. Different story. So we are anyways buying Bank Nifty. Now, so Maruti नहीं था तो इसको delete कर दो. Kotak भी नहीं था इसको delete कर दो. Bajaj we are not dealing, वो भी नीचे आ गया है. Okay, so we have to see IT, FMCG and pharma. So now let's go to पहले IT, TCS. TCS has got a bit of island reversal at 40. Baba re Baba. इसमें भी देखो पीआरडी है और कंफर्म हो रहा है. 538. This is looking good. It should not come below the 20 MA. So let it go up, let it trigger above this. So that's why I kept 3575, which is above this. It should then go to this level 3700. यहाँ पे उसको resistance है. So let's see. The TCS is looking good. ओह ये तो ऑलरेडी देखो अलग बार भी है and ब्रेकआउट भी है, तो ये तो ऑलरेडी ऊपर गया है. This also has got a bull sash and breakout on 60, but a price resistance again. So we need to see on this. So I think TCS has got the only chance to start from. Okay, so TCS is looking good. Mindtree does not have any mind. इसके ऊपर में और ये बहुत बड़ा चीज है यार, वो मूव भी अच्छा फास्ट होता है. So avoid it. TCS is looking good. बाकी सब जाने दो. Okay, let's go to DRR. ये मेरा स्टॉप लॉस लेके अभी भागेगा, इधर तक तो आना चाहिए 49.25 and then above that 49.50 is one thing which I'm looking forward to. Okay, but let it be. Now I'm not trading this. It did work, but बहुत रुला था. Okay, मैं 4775 रखता था तो नहीं हिट होता था ना. गलती की उसको. चलेगा. सिंपोड़ा सब देखो फार्मा सेक्टर भी एक सपोर्ट पे है और यहाँ पे स्टॉक्स भी दिखा रहा है एक्चुअली. यहाँ पे भी डोजी एट 40 है and also there is bullish divergence and 40 support. So सब मेरे ख्याल से भी स्टॉक्स चलना चाहिए. महीना तो फटेगी ऐसा लग रहा है. They should come to at least 800 immediately. So can we bought in actually equity with a stop loss of 650? If you can buy at around 715, I think Virendra ji was asking, right? So this is something which you can trade now. Okay, you can do this till 850, 830 is what your target can be. So above 800, 715 is the buy, 650 becomes your stop loss, and your 830 is your target. So this is all equity basis you can do it. Okay, so I'll remove here. Okay, so we saw this. बाकी है आज FMCG बाकी है. यूनिलीवर क्या बोलता है, बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस भी है, लेकिन नीचे उसको बहुत सारा गैप भी है. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल इनसाइड आउटसाइड. ओके, इसको सब इनसाइड आउटसाइड है. ओके, नाउ वी नीड अ ब्रेक डाउन. अभी इसका ब्रेक डाउन मैं इधर से लूं या इधर से लूं. So this is see mainly you'll have to see from a bigger point of view. Okay, because we do have many candles here. Okay, so Purvi, आप जो पूछ रहे थे ना अभी, see this actually confirms about this where we are right now. Okay, but now if you look at it on the other side, कहाँ चला गया मेरे को? कोई तो आया अभी ज्वाइन करने के लिए, कहाँ चला गया? Okay, जाने दो. Okay, but see now your buy should be once it closes this gap above this. Okay, उसके पहले मत buy करो इसको. Okay, so your buy ideally is around 2445. Okay, and then let it grow maybe to this level. हाँ मंगा ना. 2515 can be the first target for this. Okay, and that can ideally also be a 40 resistance over here. Okay, so this is also looking good above this and can take it at least 75 points on this. But because of this gap, I will avoid it. Already 6-7 trade to have अपने पास. But see, this is also looking good. Daily divergence. This is लेना चाहिए actually. Again, in equity, if anyone wants, should buy this. See this, Doji on monthly. There is a PRD on monthly also on this also. See this. Though not the best of PRD because it is below 60. Monthly, weekly on 40 support, daily divergence. Okay. So monthly PRD and daily has got bullish divergence. It is really looking good.
Only divergence, but we'll just draw the normal trend line, either price trend line or the flow trend line.
Yes.
There we don't have to see the last candle.
See, mainly understand the concept, then this all things will be very clear. See, PRD is adding strength to the existing trend. Okay, so उसको ज़्यादा बड़ा trend line का जरूरत नहीं है. But bullish divergence or bearish divergence may result in the trend reversal. See, you can say that this is a downtrend started from here. Okay, this is entirely a downtrend. Now, if I want a trend reversal, basically, okay, I need to draw it from the trend itself here. And now, if I have to see also, I can buy above this 20 MA, okay, or this line, let it cross for another target of upper band. See, basically, bullish divergence at lower band will result in the price till upper band if confirms and goes perfectly. Okay, so that is the main reason why this is reversing of the trend. That's why this will need a bigger trend line to be broken, and that's why it is very much carefully to be traded on confirmation only. PRD और NRD क्या है? आपका existing trend को ही वो fuel देता है, तो उसमें बड़ा trend line नहीं रहेगा, उसमें 3-4 candles का ही trend line रहेगा. So this is the main difference between a PRD or divergence and reverse divergence. Getting it?
Okay, yeah, thanks. હવે વધારે clear.
So that is the main reason why I was drawing from here. PRD में मैंने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर दिया था. So now you will understand the difference why I'm drawing.
Yes, now I got it.
Right? Okay. So lever also I think इसको 2450 के ऊपर में इक्विटी में बाय कर दो, you will definitely see it coming back till 2700 for sure. Okay, because I am looking on weekly. Okay, and I'm looking weekly. It is coming till year level, this levels. So this is what you will get it. And then you can trail your stop loss. If it resists at this level, then, but mainly if it touches 40, देख लो ये history है UV lever का. Okay, जब भी weekly 40 touch किया है, it goes till 60 or crosses 60. So 40 to 60 अगर आप latest देखो, okay, 40 is here, 60 is here. Okay, so now 40 is here. Okay, so this is 40. So 1920, and this is 60. So 400 points is what you are talking about. So that's why मैंने बोला ये equity में buy करो, मैं futures में इतना बड़ा trade नहीं देता हूँ. Okay, so this is what you can still buy in equity. And lever is a good stock. उसको beating मिला है, but now it seems to be stabilized and start a reversal because there is a bullish divergence on daily and confirms about 2450. So 2450 to 2700 can be the target now. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. We covered. I think मैंने ज़्यादा FMCG में नहीं लिया क्योंकि मैं already डर चुका हूँ. इधर already 6 ट्रेड बैठा है मेरे पास. Okay, so मैं ज़्यादा FMCG में नहीं देखना चाहता हूँ. Okay, but FMCG might have a reversal this week. So let's see. Okay, and next week onwards, for at least next 6 weeks, I'll be sorry. It will be all videos that I'll send and whenever I'm available from the ashram. But yes, you will be given a video for sure. That is our commitment to you, and we will continue with that. Okay, so thank you everyone, and
thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Manoj ji, बोलिए.
Sir, Vishal here.
हाँ, Vishal.
Sir, Asian Paint, did you check?
Yeah, I did check. I've already given a trade.
Okay, okay.
सर अपोलो हॉस्पिटल चेक करो ना.
अपोलो हॉस्पिटल किसको भेजना है?
खरीदना है.
निरंजन. निरंजन, तुम्हारा रिलायंस का क्या सीन है? तुम तो मेरी तरह रिलायंस प्रेमी है.
सर शेयर खरीदना है कि अपोलो हॉस्पिटल कंपनी खरीदना है?
उसका भरोसा नहीं है. उसका भरोसा नहीं सर. He is Axis Bank general manager. You are talking to.
हाँ, इसीलिए पूछा सर, इसीलिए पूछा, मालूम है.
क्योंकि उनके पास ESOP ही उतना है कि पूरा बैंक हॉस्पिटल खरीद लेगा.
हाँ, सर इसीलिए सवाल पूछा ना.
बराबर है, बराबर.
हम जैसे होते तो शेयर ही खरीदने का पूछते ही नहीं.
So this is looking good. Okay, Apollo Hospital. I think above 4750 it will zoom. Okay, because it will then have a band walk. It is already about daily alert bar hai usko, and even this is looking good. Alert bar even on weekly. So 4750 cross karna hai. देखो यही resistance है उसको weekly पे भी. फिर it can go till वापस 5100. Okay, and bull sesh again on monthly. बाप रे, ये क्या PRD आया? मौसम PRD का. ये देखो, ये कैंडल और ये कैंडल मंथली PRD है उसको. See this? There is a monthly PRD as well, and which confirmed as well. See, markets are not here to go down, by the way. गलती से भी शॉर्ट मत करना. मोदी जी का मजाक बनाया सब लोग ने, बट मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ, मत करना शॉर्ट. I am looking at another 1.5 year new highs will be made, and that's why I'm just buying. मैं हर भाव पे equity भी buy कर रहा हूँ. Okay, so be very careful because this will keep giving you good returns for another. मैं 1.5 साल क्यों बोला मालूम है? I am looking for elections, and that's why again this budget is going to be a good budget.
वो तो है ही ना. जीरोधा का मूव ट्रेडिंग पे 21,000 है निफ्टी.
हाँ, वही हो जाएगा. देखो 18 की हो गई लड़की ना, 21 पे सयानी, फिर शादी। तब तक कुछ मत सोचो।
नहीं अभी क्या है, वो प्लस दिखा रहा है बहुत लंबा पोर्टफोलियो, 2 लाख रुपए प्लस दिखा रहा है एक निफ्टी।
वो रहेगा रहेगा, डोंट वरी।
वो कुछ तो मॉक ट्रेडिंग चल रहा है ना जीरो का।
हाँ मॉक ट्रेडिंग चल रहा है अभी, वो मॉक को, लेकिन वो रियल हो जाएगा मॉक जो भी है, 21,000 है तो हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत।
यस सर।
Okay, so we
All the
need
best,
this.
sir.
Thank you,
All the
thank
best.
you, Manaji.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Chalo.
बेस्ट ऑफ लक सर।
Thank you, thank you.
थैंक यू सर।
Welcome everyone. And let's